Hi, welcome to the latest video by Indian Street Bets. Over the next few minutes, we'll go through some of the biggest gains and losses seen on the subreddit and the Discord. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you think the content we create is something you enjoy. Join us on Discord to talk to traders in live time during market hours and otherwise. Our Instagram and Twitter pages are also live. And finally, do join the subreddit where all these trades went down. Let's get started with Indian Soros, our resident algo trading expert showcasing his skill with an easy 2 lakh profit. Playing the role of Big Bear, he shorted both the indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty. All of this is coupled with additional short positions in alcohol heavyweight McDowell's, Indigo Airlines, as well as Jubilant Foods. Jubilant Foods owns the franchisee license for Domino's. These trades occurred in mid-March when we still had a recession. Here's a chart of the downtrend showcased by the markets on that particular day. Happy printing, Indian Soros. What can't this guy do? In another Indian Street Bets post, Soros also showcased his automated gains for a client's account. A realized profit loss of 1.99 lakh in just 54 days. All this on an account worth 5 lakh. Insane returns. Soros further outlined things to work on. Some standouts of his entire profile included a crazy 64.8% profit to loss ratio. His biggest gain was a crazy 76.5k intraday gain, a cool net return of 26.7% overall in 54 days. Soros replied to a few of the comments explaining how he made his algo from scratch. For risk management purposes, he only employs 40% of the total capital as well. Next up on the list is Com SRT, netting a cool 1.35 lakh on a short position used to hedge his portfolio. Another Bear Gang member in Mr. Zamer coming through. 1.1 lakh in gains by shorting Nifty, Indigo and ISB favorite ITC. This man bought illiquid out-of-the-money puts like a complete madman. He further went on to buy additional Maruti and ITC puts. Keep green, Mr. Zamer. Moving on to the losses, we have the legendary Magical Yang. He blew his entire account with a 7.5 lakh drawdown. My guy bought 9900 Nifty puts and watched it go from 35 rupees in value to nearly zero. He further commented saying that this trade was a complete gamble and involved zero research. Best of luck with the comeback, Yang. User XXI Whisk is up next with a feel-good story. After blowing nearly 50 lakhs in the market, he spent an entire year winning and brought it back down to 17 lakhs. He had huge positions in DHFL and GVK, which both went south. Here's to hoping you're in the green now, XXI Whisk. SKUL9413 posted gains of 1.2 lakhs by having short positions in Bank Nifty. He gained 1 lakh by buying 23500 puts and another 20k via the 23200 strike. He bought the 23500 puts when BNF was more than 2 strikes away, but thanks to his research, the bold move paid off handsomely. He also posted a 63k gain using a straddle on Bank Nifty. His fundamental analysis regarding the GDP was spot on. Wiping out 50% of his savings in one trade is user odd one out. He lost 2.6 lakh rupees on this one trade. As he says, he's going back to playing PUBG forever. But we reckon a man like him will eventually be back. Like a true gate bear, his 7500 and 8000 puts were at 60% profit, but he eventually held it for too long and blew it all. Up next, requesting a GUR for his fallen portfolio was you fuck the admins. True to his username, this rebel lost a cool 2.5 lakhs bag holding Indigo, Hero Motors and BPCL. He lost the average Indian's yearly salary on one trade by bag holding Indigo during a pandemic. Diamond hands all the way, friend. Gooner 230192 meanwhile lost 2 lakhs due to what he claims to be a newly discovered gambling disorder. Welcome to the gang, friend. Next up is ISB God posting a neat 47,000 Friday gain, followed by easy expiry pakoras worth 35k and 13k. ISB God made 1.5 lakhs in the month of July and later posted gains of 14k and 19k in August. Here's to waiting for more gains, ISB God. The Seeking Seer had a vision come true. His trade shot up from a 33k loss to a 56k profit. This trade translated to an ROI of 30%. Great gains, friend. In September, Ajinkya 41 made 50,000 on 4 lots of 11700 puts. This trade was based on his view that the US tech stocks would crash. Great analysis, Ajinkya. Small Guri 9 meanwhile made nearly 1 lakhs by buying calls on Dr. Reddy. His 3250 and 3300 calls printed because of news regarding the lift on export bans. He had previously printed on Cadila Healthcare stonks too. Great going, Small Guri 9. Moving on to Long Rope 2, who wished to uninstall his broking app after an 83,000 loss. He had nifty October calls and ended up bag holding them. Wishing you the best in the future, Long Rope. Do consider subscribing to us on YouTube and also follow us on Discord, Instagram, Twitter, and the subreddit.